It's no secret, modern life is complicated. We're constantly bombarded with noise, stress, responsibility, overstimulation, and even fear. The convenience of our world comes at a price, and for many of us, that price is our mental serenity. The constant fast pace of life means many of our brains and nervous systems are working in overdrive, in fight or flight mode, constantly bracing for the next threat. This state of continual imbalance in the brain can lead to uncomfortable symptoms over time. Symptoms like panic, anxiety, and insomnia. Insomnia often goes hand in hand with anxiety, creating a vicious cycle of stress, poor sleep, and more anxiety. Sometimes it feels impossible to break out of the cycle. Standard treatments like benzodiazepines, sleeping pills, and antidepressants come with numerous side effects and risks. But the truth is, there is something out there that really makes a difference. It's an FDA-registered, safe, natural treatment option, free of the side effects so commonly experienced with medications. And instead of just putting a Band-Aid over the symptoms, this treatment actually works to reprogram your brain, fighting the root cause of anxiety and insomnia, restoring balance to the neurotransmitters in your brain, and restoring peace and calm to your nervous system. It's called Cranial Electrotherapy Stimulation, and it's helping thousands of people get back to life and recover from debilitating anxiety and insomnia. Cranial Electrotherapy Stimulation, or CES as it's called, transmits a gentle, healing electrical current through the hypothalamus of the brain. This tiny electrical current simulates the natural electrical currents generated by your brain, and it helps restore peace and tranquility to your mind and your brain's function. It's incredibly simple to use. You simply apply the gelled pads to the sides of your neck, or attach the clips to your earlobes, and then turn the device on to a comfortable setting and go about your day. The treatment is painless. You may feel a slight tingling, but you can set the level of current to your own comfort. Many patients experience relief after just a few days of treatment. The results are cumulative and compound over time, with regular treatment resulting in greater and greater effects. Studies have shown CES to be more effective than drugs for anxiety and insomnia. And the best part is, CES therapy is non-habit forming and completely free of harmful side effects. It's been tested in extensive clinical trials and is demonstrably safe and effective. The best part is, CES is an incredibly affordable one-time purchase. You buy CES once and then use it in the comfort of your own home, as little or as frequently as you need it. You can use it before bed, while relaxing, or even while working around the house or at your desk. If you're trapped in the cycle of anxiety and insomnia and feel like you need help getting your brain back to a state of calm, you're not alone. Real help is available. Anxiety and insomnia don't have to be a permanent part of your life. Join thousands of patients who have experienced profound relief through CES therapy and get your life back today. For more information, visit cesrelief.com.